Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you this video on this $100,000 personal loan with this Navy Federal Credit Union option, U.S. Alliance Financial, and you can get pre-qualified with a soft pull pre-approval. Many people want to join Navy Fed, but they've never been in the military or have any military connections. So this credit union is an alternative to Navy Federal. Now, if you're new to my channel, this channel bring you information to help you on your credit journey. And for 2023, we're going to show you how to leverage your credit to gain assets. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit, I give you guys a free hard inquiry removal package at my website. I also have packages for purchase to remove your other negative items. So if you want that free hard inquiry removal package or to check out my other package, you can just click the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section to check out my website. Now, I'm also giving a webinar. Many people missed the webinar last month and is requesting that I do the webinar again. And I will be live helping you with your credit issues. And with this webinar, it's going to help you increase your credit score by 100 points. And I will be there live and we will be helping you with your individual credit problems. So if you want to join me, the link is in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section. So let's jump into the information. Now, U.S. Alliance Financial is a great alternative to Navy Federal. Many people would like to join Navy Fed to get those bigger lines of credit and credit card limits and loans, but they have no connection with the military. So with U.S. Alliance Financial, you can become a member and it's nationwide if you join the American Consumer Council. Now, they're based out of New York, but they have a presence in the Northeast. So states like New Jersey, certain counties, New York, certain counties, Connecticut, and Massachusetts, you will be able to join if you reside in those areas and connected to different companies like Pepsi, IBM, an array of other corporations. But if you don't have those links, you can just simply do the American Consumer Council option, and then that will help you connect with other savings and loans or credit unions, because many will allow you to join with a membership to the American Consumer Council. U.S. Alliance Financial also allow you to pre-qualify for their credit cards and their personal loan if you are a member. Now, for the loan requirements, it is really simple for what they're going to ask you for to qualify. You'll simply need your social security number, your current employer information, the reason why you want to take out the loan, your gross income, your previous employer information, and any co-applicant information that will go along with the application. Now, always keep in mind when you're going for a loan, they're going to look at those requirements because they want to see your ability to repay the loan. They will be looking at your income to your debt ratio. So if you're a person with a lot of debts, car loans, and other outstanding debts, they will take that into consideration for a personal loan, especially versus your income. So you want to keep that in mind. You want to make sure for better approval rates that you account all your income. So if you're married, your household income with you and your spouse, or if you're receiving alimony, Social Security, or even child support, if you have investment property, make sure you include that information. So with this loan, they're going to be checking for that information on your gross income and your ability to repay. Now, one data point with US Financial, they don't like a lot of new accounts, or they don't want to see a lot of hard inquiry pulls on your credit report. Now, to go through the pre-qualification process, you want to join the credit union through their membership process by opening a checking account. And what you can do at the same time, you can join the American Consumer Council when you sign up for an account. Now, keep in mind, you guys, if you join this credit union online, it's a soft pull. But when I called in to customer service to ask questions, if you call through them to sign up and join, it can be a hard pull to join this credit union. So make sure you do it online to sign up for membership. And if you have questions, then call customer service afterwards. But don't go through the process with having customer service to sign you up. Make sure you sign up online. Now, the pre-qualification, the way it works, it shows you once you sign up what your predetermined limit will be for approval. Now, the pre-qualification does not guarantee that you're going to get the loan or a credit card. It just shows that you are the type of customer or credit profile that this bank is looking for. So it gives you a higher rate of approval, like 80 to 90% of a higher rate, but it's not guaranteed. Even if you pre-qualify and you get approved for the loan, they will pull your credit. If you decide to go with the application, it will result in a hard pull with Experian. That is who they use for their approvals. Now, with Experian, they're going to use that hard inquiry to check your profile for the final approval. But to pre-qualify, you can do so as a soft pull. Now, they will be using a FICO 2 credit model to judge your credit score. So keep that in mind. Any negatives like collections, charge-offs, I would stray away from applying with them. They don't like a lot of new accounts, and they are looking for prime credit, meaning a 680 credit score and above. So keep that in mind. Even if you get pre-qualified and you have some of those negative factors, I would probably stray away from that. But if you have good income, you don't have any negative items, this is a great option. I did make a video on their credit cards, also on how you can pre-approve and the breakdown on the data information there. So if you want to check that video, I'll leave the link in the description of the video in the pinned comment section. If you have questions, put it in the comment section or go to my website. And when you submit your questions, they go to my cell phone. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.